In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device to Google Play. If you've just gotten a new Android phone, tablet, TV, or Chromebook, the good news is that adding it to Google Play is usually very simple. In most cases, your device becomes linked to Google Play as soon as you sign in with your main Google account on that device. So really, the process is less about manually registering the device and more about making sure you're signed into the correct account and that Google Play is active. To get started, sign into your primary Google account directly on the new device. This is the account you want connected to Google Play for downloading apps, syncing purchases, and managing your device list later. Once that account is added, the device can automatically associate with your Google Play account. Next, open the Play Store app on the device. This helps confirm that Google Play is properly set up and accessible. If the Play Store opens normally, that's a good sign that the device is recognized and ready to use. On some devices, this may happen immediately after sign in, while on others, you may need to complete a couple of setup screens first. If you haven't added your Google account yet, go into the device settings and look for accounts or users and accounts. The exact wording can vary depending on the brand and model of your device, so don't worry if it looks slightly different from what you expect. You're simply looking for the section where accounts are managed. From there, select Add Account, choose Google, and sign in with your Google account credentials. Make sure you use the account you want tied to Google Play on this device. Once you complete the sign-in process, the device should be connected to your Google services, including the Play Store. After that, open the Google Play Store on the device and download an app. This is an important part of the process because it helps fully sync the device with your Google Play device list. In other words, using the Play Store confirms the connection and makes the device show up more reliably in your account. Finally, if you want to check or manage your connected devices, log into the Google Play website, then go to Library and Devices and open the Devices section. That's where you can view the devices associated with your account and manage them if needed, and that's all it takes. Sign in, open the Play Store, add your Google account if necessary, and download an app to complete the sync. Your device should then be successfully added to Google Play.